Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. We have started the chapter that was Introduction to Science, and today we are going to read the last topic of that one chapter, that is about science and technology. Before coming to before coming to their benefits, abuses, and limitations, first revise what is science. So, science, it is the study of nature which is based on observation and experimentation. It affects us and our environment. Means science will be the study of nature in which we are observing the things and experimenting them, and it will be affecting us and the things that are present around us. Then after that, technology is there. Technology is the application of science, means wherever you are applying science to make something, it will be technology. So further, let's move towards the examples of technology. The first one example is internet that you are using right now and getting benefit from it. And then cloning of animals. Cloning means to make exact copies. So to make the exact copies of animals, it is also come under the topic technology. And then genetically modified food. Now you people have observed that we are getting all kind of foods in every season. So and the best quality as well, their size and taste is very much enhanced now. So this is just because of the modification in food that is done by changing their genes. Means some modification has done in their genes to get the food to get the present food that is best in quality and that is more in size as well. Then man-made satellites we are using for telecommunication. And then after that, computer chips and microchips, you can see that they stored a lot of data in it and they are very small in sizes. These all are the examples of technology. So the next one is benefits, abuses, and limitations of science and technology. Before starting that, you should have to know that benefit means advantages, abuses means disadvantages, misuses, wrong uses, means that is dangerous to us. And then limitations means restrictions. Restrictions means when the restrictions means that the thing that is out of control, that is not in, that you cannot study, that you cannot solve through science and technology. That first one, benefits, you can see that electricity which makes our life comfortable, that is the blessing, that is the benefit that you are getting from science and technology. And then science and technology enable us to grow more food. We have growing more food through the different technologies of science. Then new technology allow us to treat diseases more effectively. Now you people have better cure of diseases. They are now less dangerous to you people because diseases can be cured now. Before that, diseases are very difficult to be cured and that will kill you, that will cause the death as well. So vaccine can help us prevent diseases. Now we people have the vaccine to make ourselves save or prevent from the diseases that can kill us. So vaccines are actually the benefit that we are getting through technology. Then science and technology allow us to explore outer space, means that now we are getting through outer space, we are studying them, we are studying the phenomena that are happening in outer space just because of science and technology. You can go to space as well with the help of rockets and the different things you people can doing with the help of science and technology. And then satellites enable us to communicate faster and farther. Faster means you are communicating within seconds to people that are sitting very far from you, very away from you. Then after that, abuses means you can say disadvantages, wrong uses, misuses. So it is double edged sword, means the sword that are from one side, if you are killing someone, then from the other side you are killing yourself as well. Means if science and technology have advantages from one side, then they have disadvantages from other side as well. So it is a double edged sword. It can bring about negative effects as well. The generation of electricity using fossil fuels lead to pollution which causes harm to human beings and the environment. Means if electricity is benefiting us, it is comforting us, if it is if it is comforting our lives, then at the same time it brings pollution as well, and pollution is affecting human beings and environment. It is causing many diseases. Then inventions and use of deadly weapons which are harmful to us and the environment, means like science and technology, if given us weapons to for our protection, then at the same time the use of that weapons is causing pollution in environment, and also killing the other people lives. That's why the invention and use of deadly weapons is actually harmful and comes under the abuses of science and technology. And then limitations means restrictions, where the science come to where science cannot help us, where science will fail, you can say, to us to solve your problem. So they cannot be used, means science and technology cannot be used to find an answer to all our questions, or solve all our problems. They can be used to reduce the damage caused by natural disasters such as earthquakes and hurricanes, but we cannot prevent them from happening. Means you cannot, science cannot answer your all questions, because there are some limitation as well where science will fail to work. And then after that, he's saying that you can tell the intensity or the damage that is happened by natural disasters, but you cannot prevent them from happening. At the same and same, you cannot prevent someone from death. You can cure the disease, but you cannot stop the person from dying. So that's why these are actually the limitations of science and technology, that they are helping us, they are benefiting us, but at the same time there are some limitations, there are some restrictions as well, where they cannot work. So this is the last topic of your chapter number 1, Introduction to Science, that is completed today, and now your chapter is completed. Hope you people will see all the videos to make your chapter concepts more clear, and ask the question if you have any questions in your mind, then be free to ask. That's all from my side. Thank you. Stay blessed, take care, and Allah Hafiz.